class. Today we are going to discuss what will be the output type of questions on relational operators and the logical operators. So let's start. I will show you the question. I will pause the video for some seconds and guess the output. Then we will discuss the answer. So let's start. This is the first question. The value of a is equals to 10. Now b is equals to naught of a. What does this mean? We know that if the value is a non-zero value, then it is treated as true, and if it is a zero value, then it is treated as false. Now a is equals to 10, that means it is a non-zero value, so it is true. Now naught of a will reverse the thing, that means it will become false. So the value of b is 0 now. False means 0. It is 0 now. Now c is equals to naught of a. Now we have found that naught of a is equals to 0. That means it is false. Now naught of false is equals to true. So the value of c is equals to 1. So b is equals to 0 and c is equals to 1. So the output must give 0, 1. Let's check. It is 0, 1. This is the next question. The value of a is equals to 10, b 5, c 5, and the equation is b plus c double equals to a. Here this plus is the arithmetic operator and this equals to sign is a relational operator. The arithmetic operator executes before the relational operator. So b plus c is equals to 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 10 is equals to 10. It is true. So the value of b must be 1. So let's check. See, it is 1. Let's move on to the next question. This is the third question. Is the value of x is equals to 1, the value of y equals to 0, z equals to 5. Now x and y, x is true, y is false. Now we know that if the any one of the operator in the AND operation is false, then the overall result is false. So the value false will be given to a, that means 0. So when we are printing a, that means 0 must be the output. See, 0 is the output. Let's move on to the next question. 4, x is equals to 1, y equals to 0, z equals to 5. Now x, the value of x is 1, that means true. The value of y is 0, that means false. So true and false is equals to false. So the value of this part is false, that means 0. Now there is a odd operation. Now it is z plus plus. Since it is post increment operation, it will be 5 only, but 5 is true. Now 0, false, odd, true. That means the result will be true, because एक भी अगर part odd operation का true हो जाए तो final output true होता है. So or true, so the result will be true. So the value of a must be 1. Let's check. See, it is 1. Let's move on to the next question. It is question number 5. The value of j is equals to 4. The value of k is not of 5. Not of 5, that means not of true, that is false. So it is false. AND operation का एक part अगर false हो गया है तो बाकी part execute नहीं होगा. So the value of k must be is equals to 0. Let's check. See, it is 0. Let's move on to the next question. This is question number 6. The value of I is equals to -1, j is equals to 1. The value of k is equals to not of I. Not of I means not of true, since the value of I equals to -1, non-zero value. So it is true. Not of true is equals to false. Now एक part AND operation का false हो चुका है तो k में 0 save हो जाएगा. Now L equals to not of I. Again not of I is equals to false. But there is the odd operation. The value of j equals to 1. That means true. Odd operation का एक part true हो गया है तो final output will be 1. So the value of k will be 0 and the value of L will be 1. Let's check. See, 0, 1. Let's move on to the next question. This is question number 7. I want to give it as a homework. Please try to understand how the output will be, and please comment on the comment box. Also, if you need some explanation, please comment that also. If you have some what will be the output type of question, you can give that in the comment box also. That can be discussed. Okay. Thank you.